Today, we're looking at one of the cleanest, coolest, and most thoughtfully designed GMT field watches of 2025, the brand new Todd Snyder X Unimatic Modello Quattro U4 GMT, a collaboration that blends New York style with Milanese minimalism. For years, Unimatic has built a reputation for minimalist, military-inspired tool watches. But this new U4 GMT elevates the formula, refined, functional, and unmistakably influenced by Todd Snyder's design language. The day version features a creamy off-white dial, a 40mm brushed steel case, and a soft tan suede strap. Clean, warm, and unmistakably classic. Meanwhile, the night version flips the mood entirely, a fully blacked-out case and dial contrasted only by white indices and that signature orange-tipped GMT hand. It's sleek, modern, and stealthy. Both watches share a minimalist layout, a 24-hour GMT track around the edge, a printed 12-hour scale inside, and lume-filled dots marking every 5 minutes. It's functional, but also visually balanced, a fresh twist on traditional field watch military time. Superluminova brings the dial to life in the dark, glowing green on the hands and markers, and a bold orange glow on the GMT hand. A subtle detail, but a very cool one. Inside is the reliable TMI Seiko NH34A automatic movement, offering a 41-hour power reserve and a caller GMT function, perfect for tracking a second time zone on the fly. And yes, the specs are serious. Flat sapphire crystal, screw-down crown, and 300 meters of water resistance. Although, maybe swap that suede strap before diving in. The theme here is day and night. 2 moods, 2 vibes. But what makes this collab special is the double-signed dial. It's discreet, but Todd Snyder's name sits right under Unimatic's logo at 6 o'clock, marking it as something truly unique in the brand's lineup. Limited to 250 for day, 150 for night, and priced at $998, the Todd Snyder X Unimatic U4 GMT might be the best Unimatic collaboration of 2025, a flawless remix of heritage inspiration and modern minimalism. Which one would you wear, day or night? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more watch reviews.